crypto is in fear right now because of what has happened the last few days. If we look at the charts, okay, so the S&P 500, the stock market, is barely up. If I go to crypto here and I look at, let's open the chart. Let's see what this guy looks like. And my consensus is that this guy is going back up to 70,000. And why is that? Okay, we've got a falling wedge pattern and we have exploded to the downside. And now the RSI is oversold. And here, if I just move this a little bit, just simple, you can definitely just look at this and see that price has gone, boom, got rejected off of around 72, boom, gets caught around 60, boom, gets rejected off of 72, goes down to 58, comes back up, gets rejected off of 70, and now, boom, where are we? Okay, we should be heading back up to that 72. I will say, though, if we do not head back up, where could we be going? Well, the first major step would probably be this box here, would be this level. All right, 54 to 50,000. That's where we would see the final support before the massive big upside here. But we are already in major fear. There has been a lot of dumping happening right now. So playing a little bit of a long game here right now is a good time to be thinking of potentially getting involved here. All right, keeping your stops tight. And I know some streamers out there, some other people are on X and them saying that we're definitely going down here. Well, they also said we are definitely going down here during these few volatile days. And they also said it here on these few volatile days. We've got good support here. So I don't see it breaking unless we see, just a confirmation that something is not healthy in the market. And we've got some decent news coming here. Ethereum, I believe, is somewhat doing the same type of a deal where it is potentially going to bounce as well. So if I just look and let's take a different examination of it here, where we definitely broke through and we've got this top wedge here of this trading range, boom, boom, boom. You could even zoom out more and put it here, but there's been more touches down throughout here with definitely some pin bar candles where they jump and then they instantly retrace. That's like an engulfing. Here you got a hanging man, boom. Here you've got a hammer candle. And now on the daily, we are getting on Ethereum, you're getting a doji or dojo. As a dojo, they're dojo cross, which is pretty much a reversal candle. And for there can be some rejection off of that, but typically it's saying that the buyers are neutral with the sellers. But because this is happening at the bottom of a range, I am going to say that this guy is bouncing upwards. And where I want it to go, where I could see it going here on the daily, is the top of the range. Okay, having a nice little bounce. We could see some sort of resistance here with 11% gain right at 3,700, and then a for sure breakthrough to that 4,000 rejection, which that one you probably will see a little bit of volatility where it might just bounce completely and then tank back down to this ultimate trend line that we have here established. And it's still in an upwards trending market, right? So there's nothing to be super scared about it. This is just where it's going on. Bunch of people are over trading through this falling wedge. But again, usually when falling wedges happen, they catapult to the upside.